In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy chemical reactions from Chat GPT to Google Docs without losing any formatting. If you've tried this before, you probably noticed that the formatting doesn't always come through the way you want. To fix this, I'll use a tool called Bibset. Start by going to Google and searching for Bibset. Click the first website that pops up. You'll find an option for MassiveMark AI-powered document creator. Click the Try Now button. This will open up an interface. To paste your content, click the red icon. Now, go back to Chat GPT. It's important not to copy your content by just selecting it. Instead, scroll to the bottom of the chat and use the copy option. After you've copied your content, return to MassiveMark and paste it. Then click Insert. As you can see, your content is now added. If you want to add more, just repeat the steps. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your content, come back to Bibset website, click the MassiveMark option, and paste your content. If you need to paste the same content again, just click Insert. When you're done adding everything, you can use the formatting tools if you want. Once finished, click the Download option. You'll see an option to Download as Doc. Click it, and a Microsoft Word document will download. To move this content into Google Docs, open a new document and click File, then click Open. You'll see an Upload option. Click that, then click Browse and pick the document you just downloaded. After the document uploads, click File again, then Open. In the Recent section, you'll see the document you just uploaded. Click it, then hit the Open option. A new Google Doc will open, and all your chemical reactions will have perfect formatting. And that's how you can copy chemical reactions from Chat GPT to Google Docs with perfect formatting. If this video helped you, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.